Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at a little side project of mine. So what we have here is my attempt to remake the AstroLander minigame from TimeSplitters 2. And the story behind this is, for my job I travel to a lot of regional towns to carry out work, which means I often find myself staying overnight in places where there might not be a great deal to do. I thought a good way to use some of this time where I'm stuck in a motel would be to learn programming, which is something I've always wanted to do. In particular, I wanted to understand the C programming language, but thought I would start off with C++. I thought a fun little project to get me started would be to try recreating something fun and simple. To me, AstroLander seemed like a great choice, and I think it's given me a lot of experience learning about game loops and just how some of the maths behind collisions and intersecting lines actually works. As someone who has a massive interest in game development and design, I found learning to remake this game a really fun and challenging experience. At this point, we have every level from the original AstroLander here, and nearly all of the original game's features. One thing I'm really happy with was getting the camera to zoom in and out as the lander approaches the landing pad. I haven't implemented the scoring system yet, and I'd like to polish up a few small things here and there. But as you can see, we have collision working, landing working, level progressing working, and everything else you'd expect. I'm also playing this on my original DualShock 2 controller, but you can use a keyboard. Now, recreating a game like for like is all well and good, but wouldn't it be fun to do something more? I think what I enjoy the most about programming your own game is the fact you can really do anything you want, providing you have the skill and time. Just as an example, here are two new ships with different stats. The red ship has high speed but a slow turn rate, and will chew through fuel very quickly. The green ship is small and nimble with a great turning ability, but has very poor thrust. It's good fun going through the original levels, but with a different playstyle. I also tried giving each ship a unique ability, just to see how it would work. The blue ship can use an anti-gravity power-up, the red ship a super braking system, and the green ship can shrink down to fit into smaller spaces. Of course, we can't forget about the actual levels. It's very easy for me to write a new set of lines and create entirely new levels with unique colours and styles. You could have different worlds which use different terrain styles and gravity settings. It wouldn't even be too hard to add in simple enemies and moving objects. At one stage I did even write a very simple random level generator. You can see some footage of that on my second YouTube account. Down the line, if I can get this to a better standard, then I'd consider releasing it, if people would like to try it. If you have any ideas on what other features could be added, then I'd love to hear them. For now, I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at this little side project of mine. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.